Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers. Let's launch the app. You want to go to settings and privacy first. All you gotta do is to scroll all the way down. You go on support and about. You want to click report a problem, and we're not going to lose our time clicking on live as a particular issue. We are going to skip this and we're going to do a small shortcut. We're going to scroll all the way down. You're going to click submit report, and in the report we're going to explain our issue. We're going to say that, hey, we have a large audience and my fans would love to see me live streaming, right? So this is absolutely enough. And when you hit them back up, I saw and I read plenty of the reviews. 90% of the people who tried this, it worked. So people essentially got availability. They received the live button on their actual TikTok app. So go ahead and give it a shot, right? A very smart, very short description and explain what is the issue, why you want to get this feature, and most likely you're gonna get it because majority of the people did so. Subscribe and follow for more.